In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify billing 5 minutes. This is perfect if you want a clear view of your subscription, app charges, and any other fees tied to your store all in one place. First, head to Shopify and sign into your store's admin. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. It's the gear icon, and it opens the area where you control your store's core configuration. Inside Settings, find and click Billing. If you don't see it, you might need the right staff permissions, so make sure your account is allowed to view billing information. The billing page is your central hub for charges. Here you'll typically see your current plan, the next billing date, your payment method, and a list of recent or upcoming bills. Think of it as your monthly statement center for everything Shopify related. Next, choose the specific invoice you want to inspect and click View Bill. This opens a detailed invoice for the selected billing period. It's a good habit to confirm the billing period matches the dates you expect, especially if you've recently changed plans or installed new apps. Bills can include subscription fees, app charges, domain renewals, shipping labels, transaction fees, and applicable taxes depending on what you use. To see the full breakdown of what you were charged for, click Details. This expands line items so you can verify exactly where each amount comes from. Watch for notes like proration if you change plans mid-cycle, trial conversions if a trial just ended, and credits or adjustments if something was refunded. App charges will usually list the app name and the time frame. If your store sells in multiple regions, double check the tax lines and the currency so totals make sense. A couple of quick tips while you're reviewing: compare the invoice to any changes you recently made, like installing a new app, switching plans, or adding staff features. If you use multiple apps, it can help to keep a simple log of expected monthly costs so you can spot surprises faster. You can also use your browser's print or save as PDF function to keep a copy of the invoice for your records or accounting. That's it. Go to Shopify, open Settings, select Billing, click View Bill, and then Details to see the complete breakdown. Repeat this whenever you want to stay on top of costs and avoid surprises. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your own admin.